Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a Fashom box to share with you. This box was actually inspired by my friend Kristen over at Kristen Moments of Sanctuary. I will link her channel below. Please go check her out. I was watching her do a Facebook Live, I want to say maybe like 2.5 weeks ago on Fashom's Facebook page, and she did such a great job. It's so hard to do a live. She was so phenomenal. And I saw her unbox some really pretty and unique tops, and I thought, you know what? I want another Fashom box. And so I put in a request immediately after her Facebook Live finished, like immediately after. And I asked for, I think, just some unique tops, and I wanted a box just full of tops. I don't really need any more bottoms right now, except I may need to start incorporating some colored bottoms in my wardrobe. You'll see that in my outfit of the day video. But anyway, so I asked for a box of tops, and based on the preview, I think they did a great job with it. So let's see what they sent me, how it looks, and if we have any keepers. I'll be right back. Okay, so first top, this is by Birch. This is the Brooklyn knit sweater. It's in a size extra large. It's in the color charcoal. It's $46, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I actually have the same exact sweater. I think I got it 1 or 2 Fashom boxes ago, and I like it, but I just pulled for it for the first time this week. So I don't know that I need another sweater, and I'm hot in this. I'm warm in this already. I like it. I really, really do. I just don't know if I need it. Let's talk about it. So I love the V neckline. You know that this is a good neckline for me. I like the pretty charcoal color. I think it's coming across on the screen very nicely. It's very, very deep and dark charcoal. The sleeves, like the other one, are a bit long, which is okay because I kind of just pull them up a little bit. I like the length, so I do have on black pants, but you can probably see it ends about here, which is a good length for me. So this would be a good top. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. I do really like it. What do you think? So I don't know that I need it, so I think I'm gonna see what else fits and what I love in this box. If I don't love anything, I'm not gonna keep it. That's my motto, and I'm gonna stick to it. I do really like this though, and I think it's a good cut for me too. So we'll see, and it's a good, like this gives me a good space for a good statement necklace, so we'll see. Let me change, I'll be back with the next top. Okay, so this next top is also by the brand Birch. This is the Dawson Sweater with elbow patches. It's in an extra large in the color gray, and it's $39. It's 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I love the sweater. I already know I do. I love the neckline. You probably already could guess that. And I love the length of the sweater. I think it's a good length. I'll show you the back. It's a little bit longer in the back. It's got side slits on each side. Look at the elbow patches. I love elbow patches. I know some people are done with the trend. I'm not. I love elbow patches, and I know sometimes trends pass. This is one, I don't care. I'm sticking with it. I love it, so I'm gonna wear it. I don't care about the trend, or the trend passing, so I'm gonna wear them. I like them, I think they're cute, and I have a pair of booties that's like this cognac color, so how cute would that be with the pair of booties and my utility cargo olive green vest? Yep, I'd look really cute, right? So I really like it. Let me show you the back of it. It's a bit longer in the back, which I like for coverage, so I think this is mine. All right, I'm gonna change and I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so this next top is not a good color for me. This is by Umgee. It's the Relaxed Fit Surplice top. It's in the color rose. It's an extra large, $43, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. The neckline is nice. It's just not flattering. It's very boxy. I struggle with the boxy look. It's just not a good look for me because of my shoulders and my shape and my build and things like that. So this is just not for me. It does kind of have like a cross. It's not a wrap style, like a true wrap style. It kind of almost has the image that it is or the look that it is, but it's not. And it kind of gathers here at the front, so it's a little bit shorter. Yeah, no, not for me. The sleeve length is okay. It's more of like a longer, short sleeve length, but this color just does nothing for me. It's not flattering on me at all. This one is going back for sure. I'll show you the back. It's a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm not even gonna really consider this one because I just don't care for the color or really the cut either, but that's okay. Not every single item can be a win. So, all right, I'm moving on to the next top. Okay, so next top, this is by White Birch. It's the Lily Puff Sleeve Top. It's in an extra large in the color Royal Blue, $46, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So my friend Kathrin, who also has a YouTube channel that I will link below, received this top. It looked fantastic on her. And at that point, I had already accepted this in my preview when I saw it on her. And I was like, oh, I'm so happy that I'm getting it and I can't wait to try it on. So go check her out and make sure you look to see how it looked on her too, because it looked great on her. I love the color. I already said that. It's so vibrant and so pretty. I love the buttons on the sleeve. I think it's such a cool look. And it does have a little bit of a puff sleeve detail too, right? Not too dramatic either, which I like. And then I like the length of it. It's almost like a tunic length on me. It could go for that, right? It does have a little bit of like a rounded hemline. So I like it. I think it's so cute. I think I could dress it up. I could dress it down. I'll show you the back. I think this one's going to be a keeper. I just love the color. I used to own a lot in this color and I did a purge maybe like 2 years ago and I got rid of a lot. I'm bringing this color back because I think it's a good color on me. All right, let me change and I'll show you the last top. Okay, last top. This is by the brand Gilly. It's a scoop neck woven top. It's in black. It's $44, 100% polyester. Now, this is one of the reasons why I wanted another box. Kristen got a really pretty, I think it was like a coral or peach color of this top. I already own this top in a light blue color and I love it. I wore it a lot last spring and summer. And look, I got a black one and I love it. Look, I have a good space here. I've said this for the first top too, right? A good space for my statement necklaces. Look at the cute bell sleeves. You know I love a good bell sleeve. And look, it's got a little bit of like the cutout detail. Can you see that? So cute. I love the cut of it. I like that it kind of brings me in a little bit. We all need that, right? Well, I need that for sure. But I love it. I think it's so cute. This is a good work blouse. And I can wear this with colored bottoms, with jeans, with black pants. What do you think? I think this one's a keeper too. I love my bell sleeve tops, so I think this one's going in my closet. All right, and I don't have, all right, I'll admit I have a lot of black tops, but I don't have a lot of black blouses and black dress tops. Here we go. Adding one to the wardrobe. All right, I'll be right back and I'll see you for a quick recap. Okay, so I thought this was a really good box and I think I have my 3 keepers, which means I can get the 25% discount. And I feel like I didn't have to pull for them. I feel like I really, really love them. So first one, I love this top with the elbow patch sleeves. I think that this is gonna be a keeper for me. If you watch my outfit of the day videos, I may end up wearing this tomorrow for Casual Friday. I'm gonna look pretty cute because I'm gonna wear my jeans and my cognac color booties, a statement necklace, and an olive green vest. So that's what I think I'm gonna wear. Make sure you check my outfit of the day videos to see if I did. And it's a special outfit of the day this week because my friend Miranda is doing eye colors, or I should say eye looks, to match my outfit of the day. So you're gonna have to check that out for sure. And then I think I'm gonna keep this White Birch sweater. I like the detail on the sleeves with the button going down the sleeves, and I like the actual kind of balloon sleeve look, like that. And this one I loved. This is the Gilly blouse, the black Gilly blouse with the bell sleeve with kind of the cutout detail. Yeah, I like this. This is a good work blouse. This is a good going out blouse. It's mine. There's the opportunities to wear this are endless, I think. So yeah, I like it. I love it actually. So I think those are my 3 keepers. Let me know, am I making the right choice? I always love hearing your thoughts because sometimes you see things that I miss. And then this one is definitely a no. It wasn't me. The color is not me and the cut and the fit is not for me. So this one is going back. This was the Umgee top. And then while I did like the first White Birch sweater, the charcoal gray one, I have that burgundy one that I purchased like a box or 2 ago and I really like it, but I only pulled for it once and it was this past week since I bought it. So I just don't know how much I'd pull for this one, and so for that reason I'm gonna send it back. I just don't know if I need it in my closet right now. So I think that's going back, but I have 3 good choices in this box. So all right, thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you are all having a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video.